for for managing all the states of the product and all the states of this card that I have selected and have pushed into my cart. So for that purpose, I have used use reducer function to, because there was too much states to handle. So that's why I just used a use reducer function, and it is accepting reducer function which accepts the state and action whatever what we will just dispatch, what data will be dispatching using dispatch function. So in the initial state, there I have taken these four states: products, cart, total, number of products. So the uh, number of products state doesn't have any word here, so we can simply remove it from here. Okay. So yeah, these are the basically main state that we will be using via, via entire in our entire app. So after that, if you go into and the same as well as we are also passing the whole state and the dispatch function that we will be using further to dispatch our data from any other component that we are going to select and to push into our cart. It's basically list in the first step in what manner that is working, that you can see I have created get user detail function. So this get user detail function, what it does that it goes into your database and just gives you the user detail id, and just after getting the user detail id, I'm just getting the get product detail that I have stored of that fixed story page from the fixed story page of data that I have already got that. Okay, so after that, just set product, and if I just set product here, here it is. So in the product array, these here all the listing of the data will be listed here. Then state by using state products, then it will be easily accessible. We can easily access products state of this use dispatcher function. Okay, so in this manner, I'm just dispatching basically type product list, and here is your reducer and product list here, and whatever state was that I have only just destructured, and the product array basically what will be this, what will the data that all data will be just that all data that what we are receiving from this API which is here, and it is simply giving us all the data from this table. mm, Products, basically it is giving all this data. Okay, this API, so it's a get request, so here's receiving this data here, and I'm just dispatching this data via this function, and in the reducer function just have destructured this, and here have sent this action.payload by using action.payload into product state. So that in that manner. So yeah, so this was all till till now, and in the same manner just also add dispatching the data um, like into add to card, when add to card types I get, and if I remove to cart I get. Okay, so yeah, basically, so those are the core functionality that I have made in this project. So was this was the main core functionality. I've used basically I've created now these all the functionality using use reducer functions. Okay, so yeah, the work gets too much easier. So that's how I realized. Uh, and yeah, in the same manner, if I go to add to cart, the dashboard, products, and from here I'm just clicking on add to cart button, like add to cart. I'm just passing the id of that product that I have selected. Okay sir. So how it works, that actions, reducers, add to cart, and I'm just storing this time card, like whatever data in the card state that I am. I'm just destructuring this data, and as well as filtering this data, like state from the whole product, from the whole product array that I'm getting from that API. And what I'm just doing that uh, the, the product that I have selected, and should be equals to the element dot product ID. Then this this will also gives you the new array. Then in with respect to that, I'm also just destructuring this array, so that this will be the your current card. Okay sir. So yeah, uh, so yeah, just returning the whole state, and overriding this card, uh, overriding this card with the temp card, and as well as from the temp card, which is our current state, I'm just getting its price of whatever they are, like products has been selected till now. So in that manner, accumulator, its value initial value is 0, and element, it is iterable. So yeah, accumulator plus element price, so it will just return you all the return you the basically total cost of all the product that are present into our cart. So yeah, uh, it has been taken so long, but yep, I completed it. So yeah, in the same manner, these all functionality is working now, mm, and I have already shown to you. And for the authentication purpose, I have used JWT token, and that how it is working. That if I show you, I'm just if I tell you in very short, then there I created basically util function, which is candidate author. Basically, it's a basically author. What it will does that while hitting any particular API, we will just store this token, which is already stored in our local storage. So we will store our token into header. Okay sir. And after that, we will just get this token into our backend, and we will just validate this token is the is validate this token if this token is valid or not. So in that case, if it is valid, then we're just simply returning the basically a candidate ID, user ID with respect to that. Okay. So yeah, actually sir, the project was too much big, but in short way, yeah, this was all that I could have been told you. Okay. So yeah, that's all about this project. And so in this short span of time, that this was all the maximum stuff that I could have been done, all by myself. Yeah, it could also have been better than this, but there was too much time shortage, and I had also too much work of my own also, and that's why somehow I just created this in this time span. So yeah, if you have any query, and if you don't understand anything, so just let me know. And yeah, thanks for watching my video, and yeah, thank you so much sir.